Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
So, when you're camping or backpacking, it's really important to get a good night's sleep. And I've recently been loving this extra thick 4.8-inch camping sleeping mat from PecPex. This mat is just awesome. I take it backpacking with me because it's very lightweight to pack in, only 2.1 pounds, and it condenses down to a small size that fits perfectly in my pack. When inflated, the thickness of the mat is 4.8 inches, and having those few extra inches away from the ground just makes my sleep so much more comfortable, and it even has this awesome pillow that's built in. The mat is very easy and quick to inflate. It has a foot pump which works great. One item to note is you really want to be sure to close the cap on the inflator. You want to be sure that you hear it snap. This really helps the mat to stay inflated all night. The mat itself is very sturdy too. It's made with a tough nylon outer, and I have put it outside on rocky soil to enjoy the outdoors, and it didn't even puncture. Breaking down the mat is also super simple. It takes barely any time, and I'm ready to head back out onto my adventures. This camping sleeping mat from PecPex is just awesome for camping, backpacking, or any outdoor adventure. It's sturdy, it's comfortable, and lightweight.
And that's my point of view.